Hello and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to turn on the vacation responder, also known as auto reply, in Gmail when using your PC. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, click the gear icon in the top right corner. Then click on See All Settings. Now, under the General tab, scroll down until you find the section called Vacation Responder. Here, select Vacation Responder on. Next, set the first day and, optional, the last day for your auto reply. Then, type your subject and your message for the automatic reply. If you only want to send the auto reply to people in your contacts, make sure to check the box that says Send responses only to people in my contacts. When you're finished, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes. And that's it, your Gmail Vacation Responder is now active, and Gmail will automatically reply for you while you're away. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.